Good morning, girls. Welcome to our maths class today. We were doing triangles and we'll continue the same. So, basically, we were doing exercise on triangles. The concept based on exercise 11.2, where we were discussing the properties that exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles and sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree and interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. So these are the three properties which we were dealing with. The first property is interior angle of a triangle plus exterior angle. Please write it down, is equal to 180 degree. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. 3. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So these are the three properties which we were dealing with and we had completed till question number 5. So we will start from question number 6 for today's class. So if we take the very first question, so see, in this question, you are supposed to find the value of x. Now, see very carefully, if this angle is x, then this angle will also be x. This is vertically opposite angle. Now, this angle will also be x. Yes? Vertically opposite angles. Now, I am supposed to find out the value. Now, have a look at this angle. X will be equal to y, vertically opposite angles. So, if I take this triangle, in this triangle, what are the interior angles, girls? It is x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Yes. Now, instead of y, I can substitute x. So, it becomes x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So, it becomes 3x is equal to 180 degree. So, what is the value of x, girls? X will be equal to 180 by 3, that is 60 degree. That means x is also 60 degree. Y will also be 60 degree. Did you understand? Okay. Now, if I move on to the third part. So, if you take down the diagram, this should be a straight line, girls. This angle is marked as 36 degree. This angle is marked as y. This angle is marked as 50 degree. This angle is marked as x. This angle is marked as 70 degree. Okay. Now see, this is a triangle. Yes. So I can write that 50 degree plus 70 degree plus x should be equal to 180 degree. These are the interior angles of this triangle, 50, 70 and x. So 50 plus 70 plus x will be 180 degree. So this is basically 120 degree plus x will be equal to 180 degree. So what is the value of x, girls? X should be equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Now, if you take this triangle, this figure is a combination of two triangles. This is one triangle, this is the other triangle. Okay. Now, if I take this triangle, you understood which triangle I'm talking about? Okay. So, in this triangle, this angle is the exterior angle. So, I can write that x is equal to 36 degree plus y. So over here, which concept did I use? That sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This is x plus 36, x is equal to 36 degree plus y will be exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So I can say that what is the value of x? I got the value of x from here as 60 degree. So 60 degree should be equal to 36 degree plus y. Then what is the value of y, girls? Y will be 60 degree minus 36 degree. That is 24 degree. Did you understand, girls? So I think the second part you can manage it on your own. So I move on to question number 7 now. So if I start question number 7, this is the figure which I have drawn for you. So see, this angle is marked as 80 degree, this angle is marked as 52 degree, this angle is 143 degree. These small angles are marked as x, y and z. So see, you have a full triangle, a big triangle here and a small triangle here. So if I take the big triangle, what are the angles? 80 degree, 52 degree and x. So I can write straight away that 80 degree plus 52 degree plus x will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. So if I add it up, 132 degree plus x will be equal to 180 degree. So what is the value of x, girls? It will be 180 minus 132. Please watch the videos and take it down. There are very few viewers. Remember that if these concepts are not clear, you will have problem. Now, if you have a look at this line, this is a straight line, girls. So 143 degree plus z should be equal to 180 degree. Angles on a straight line. Is equal to 180 degree. This concept which we had learnt earlier. So what is the, see, mathematics is such an interconnected subject. So if you don't follow the previous lessons, it will be difficult for you to understand the later concepts. So this will be 37 degree z. So if I add up x plus y plus z, I should get it as 180 degree. Why? Sum of interior angles of a triangle, you can write it down. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, and you can find out the value of Z. Have you understood, girls? Okay. So we will move on to question number 8. So if we have a look at question number 8. Now one of the angles of a triangle measures 80 degree and the other two angles are equal. You are supposed to find the measure of each angle of the equal angles. So let each of the equal angles be x. Then we can say that x plus 80 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So I can say that 2x will be equal to 180 minus 80. So 2x will be equal to 100. Then what is the value of x, girls? X will be equal to 100 by 2, that is 50 degree. Understood? Now question number 9. I'll do question number 9. You will do question number 10 yourself. I'll just explain it. Question number 9 says that if one angle of a triangle is 60 degree and the other two angles are in the ratio of 2:3. Now whenever the ratio is given as 2:3, I think we had done it in the ratio chapter. We will take the common ratio as x. So let the common ratio be x. Then the angles are 2x and 3x. So if I add these angles, 2x plus 3x plus 60 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So I can write it as 5x plus 60 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So I can write 5x will be equal to 180 minus 60. So 5x will be equal to 130 degree. So the value of x will work out to 130 by 5, that is 26 degree. So the angles are, you have to find out the angles which are in the ratio of 2:3. Therefore, the angles are, what are the angles? 2x and 3x. 2x means 2 into 26, that is 52 degree, and 3x means 3 into 26, that is 78 degree. Have you understood? Okay. Now question number 10, if I explain it, see the angles are given in the ratio of 1:2:3. Okay. So you take the common ratio as x, then the angles will become, this angle will become x, this angle will become 2x, and this angle will become 3x. Now we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So if I add these angles up, x plus 2x plus 3x, that means 6x will be equal to 180 degree. So if 6x is equal to 180 degree, you find out the value of x and then you substitute where you had taken the angles as x, 2x and 3x. You will do it on your own. If you have any problem, I'm always there. Call me up, text me. The ones who text me, I always answer them back. But there are very few girls who are following the class and asking questions. Very few girls. Question number 11 also I will just tell you how to do it. Can a triangle have three angles whose measures are, and they have given the angles. That means if you add these angles up, it is 180 degree. Then it can have these measures. For example, if I do the second part, it is 1/3 right angle. It is one right angle. And it is 60 degree. 1/3 right angle means 1/3 into 90, that is 30 degree. One right angle means 90 degree and 60 degree. So if I add it up, 180, I'm getting it as 180. So a triangle can have these measures. So now first part also you add it up and see whether it is adding to 180 degree or not. If it is adding, then it is correct. If then you can have these measures. Otherwise, a triangle cannot have these measures as 65 degree, 74 degree and 39 degree as the question says. So we finished exercise 11.2. We will move on to the next chapter in the next class. So please revise these parts, girls. Thank you so much.